Hey, all right, everybody. Now, behind me by here is a metal shed, all in bits, and I can't put it together. If you want to find out why, keep watching the video. Right, okay, like I said, there's a shed behind me now. Now, a company reached out to me and they said, do you want to review a shed? And I said, I could do it in another shed because I have a lot of e-bikes. And they were showing I could review either a bike shed, which I've already got a small bike shed over by there somewhere, or a motorbike shed. And I thought, motorbike shed would be easy, I can wheel it in and out. Anyway, they said, yeah, we'll send you a shed to review. So, shed turns up, all boxed up. I take all the stuff out of the box. I clear a space behind the camera. I cleared everything out, ready for the shed. Took me a while because there was a bit of brambles and stuff behind there. So I took my time, cut the bushes back, ready to fit a shed, okay? This is going to be a tale of woe. What happened then? Oh, so I started putting the shed together. Everything was tickety-boo, cleared a space, started putting the shed together, started making a video as well. I started documenting it, making a video of me putting this shed, all these bits together, okay? Until I got about... I did the base, I started doing the walls, and then I tried to put, this is the base here, and I tried to put this piece on here, which goes in the base, and the holes didn't line up. They were about at least 5 or 6 mil out. I'll insert a picture of how far out the holes are, right? Okay, now you might think, I'm making a mistake, I'm not following instructions properly. I've put loads of metal sheds together. I got a shed there put together. I got a big metal shed at the back there. I got another metal shed there. I've put loads of metal sheds together. But it just, I followed instructions to the T, and that bit there, the holes are out by quite a bit. I tried to fit the panels in, and they wouldn't reach. And I've checked it multiple times. I've gone over it and over it and over it. They're numbered. All these pieces are numbered. You can't get it wrong. But for some reason, there's a manufacturing default and the holes are out. So I can't put the shed together. I've got a shed by here. I don't know what to do with it because the box is all cut to bits. I've cleared a space behind there. I've cut all the bushes down behind me for no reason at all. I've spent hours and hours, started making a video, taking this apart, and I can't put it together. And what am I supposed to do? I don't know. Well, I'm making this video so that the people who sent me this shed can see that I'm not lying. I have tried to put the shed together. I'll even insert some of the footage of me putting it together now. It's only a little bit of footage of me putting the base together and stuff. As soon as I got to this point where I couldn't put that on, and I had somebody else help me as well. I wasted their time. So this is just me having a bit of a moan and showing the company who sent me the shed that it doesn't fit together. The holes don't line up. It's a poor product. It's not very good. So there you go. Anyway, if you like my waffle about the shed I can't put together, I know it's a short video. I just thought I'd make a short video and explain it. But anyway, there it is. The shed I can't put together. I'm not going to name the company because it might be just a manufacturing defect in the one they've sent me. I don't think it is because you've got two identical sides and both sides don't line up. So there's two lots of stuff in here that don't line up. So there you go. So do us a favour, like this video and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.